Hey guys, it's Johnny from Simple Drinks. Welcome to another cocktail vlog. Today we're making something with tequila. A real easy cocktail to make, 3 ingredients only, delicious, refreshing, strong. It's called Tequila Smash. It's an adaptation of the legendary classic brandy smash, just with tequila of course. So without further ado, let's make a tequila smash. So we're going to start with mint. We need mint leaves, around 6, 7, 8. I have here a handful, so just drop them in. Next ingredient is Tequila Reposado, 60 mils, 2 ounces. And the last ingredient is Agave Syrup, 7.5 mils, just a little bit. I told you, it's easy. Now we need ice. And give it a good shake, 10 to 12 seconds. Beautiful. Now we need a rocks glass, fill it with ice. And fine strain the cocktail over fresh ice. Garnish with a mint sprig. And that's it, ladies and gents. Tequila Smash. Cheers! Delicious, refreshing, minty. It's just a little bit sweet from that agave syrup. It's a pure taste of tequila, beautiful taste of tequila mixed with agave syrup and mint freshness, and this mint smells beautiful. It's amazing. If you like tequila, you have to try this one. That's it, ladies and gents. We made a tequila smash. Another quick cocktail recipe, 3 ingredients only: tequila reposado, agave syrup, mint leaves, garnish with a fresh mint sprig, and you get yourself an easy tequila cocktail. Like always, try it and let me know in the comments below what you think. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.